Ever wonder what lies at the heart of a successful data governance program? It's a question that invites us on a quest of discovery and understanding. Today, we journey into the depths of this intriguing topic, exploring the methods and metrics that measure the effectiveness of a data governance program. Our first stop on this intriguing quest is the realm of metrics, those critical indicators of performance that serve as our compass in this vast expanse of data. High-quality data is the lifeblood of any organization, and an effective data governance program ensures this vital resource remains pure and uncorrupted. By examining data accuracy, completeness, consistency, and timeliness, we can begin to quantify the success of our governance efforts. Our journey continues as we navigate the complex terrain of compliance with regulations and policies. A successful data governance program stands as a stalwart guardian, protecting the organization from legal pitfalls by adhering to industry standards and governmental guidelines. Assessing this adherence shines a light on the program's integrity and risk mitigation capabilities. Our quest then takes us to the elusive realm of stakeholder engagement. True success in data governance is achieved only when it garners widespread support and active participation across the organization. By measuring stakeholder involvement, we can gauge the resonance of our governance efforts. But what of trust? In the information-driven world of today, trust in data is paramount. Establishing trustworthiness as a metric allows us to measure key factors like transparency in decision-making processes and user satisfaction levels when interacting with governed data systems. With our understanding of key metrics firmly in place, we turn our attention to methods. Audits and assessments serve as powerful tools, enabling us to identify gaps, weaknesses, or areas for improvement within our data governance program. Similarly, performance benchmarking offers a comparative lens, allowing us to measure our program against industry standards or best practices. Remember, assessing the effectiveness of a data governance program isn't a destination, but rather an ongoing journey. The metrics and methods we've discussed are crucial signposts guiding us towards continuous improvement. In the complex and often chaotic world of data governance, measuring effectiveness becomes an art form in its own right, a fascinating dance of structure, order, and continuous adaptation.